everybody. So we're doing a little test on Cream. He really loves this toy. He really loves it. But he also loves cat food. So I'm going to see which he's more excited about. This cat food? This isn't even open, it's just a can. That cat food, Cream? Or toy? You like your toy? Toy? Whee! This one's like a fun jellyfish. Or cat food. Let's see, Cream. Ooh, Cream's excited. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, so we'll do it like this. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. Look at that. Now, Creamy, this is a can of cat food. Do you want that? Or do you want to play with the toy? Or do you want to play with the toy, Cream? Cream says, no, 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 no. Gotta get it in a bowl for you. I don't think he even cares about the toy anymore. He just wants cat food. Alrighty, Cream, I'll get it for you. Yum, yum, yum. Alrighty. Mmm, yum, yum, yum. There you go, Creamy. Here. Cream, Cream, this dish right here. Yummy. Delicioso. Yep, Cream still loves cat food more than playing. Maybe one of these days he'll like playing more, but for now, little Cream loves his food.